My elbows are in and my hands are here. You're going to hear me say gloves to the ceiling. When I say that, that means these hands are parallel with the ceiling. Okay? Get them hands up over there. Elbows together, keep them in. And bring it back. The key is my base. Elbows in, hands up high. Listen, do not push this arm. My step is the jab. What I'm doing is 1, 2, and as this recoils, I turn to the side. 1, 2, and I hook to the side. Good. Again, 1, 2, hook. Watch. Boom, boom, boom. 1 step, 3 punches. Jab. Boom. I like it here. Pick it up. Switch. 1, 2. 1, 2, hook. Step back. Step back. Step back. Move. Everything lines up center. Jump. Elbows together. Again. Bam. Right there. Step back. Step with a jab. Go down. Nice work. JJ, if there's a guy here who looks like he don't want to be here, you're the guy. Me? You look like you're about to fall asleep. Put the camera on him. Zoom in on him.